Greetings, Bible nerds! It is I, your friendly neighborhood, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic artist, Artsy, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd. Greetings. So I'm trying a new thing, and as you can tell, or maybe if you can't tell, there we go. Uh, so I'm still drawing, inking page 24 of my comic, Joseph, Favored Son of Israel, but because I'm being a good host, trying to be a good host, I'm trying, but I'm just now realizing if I allow you to play words on stream while I draw, that means I have no screen to look at. I don't know when raids are coming in, so still working that out. So I'm sorry. I know it says words on stream on my, but now I'm just gonna have to put it away. So sorry. So sorry. I'm gonna have to change because I don't want people to be upset. Don't want it to be a bait and switch. Turn off the words on stream. No longer a tag. And now. Alright, so. It was something I was trying to do. But apparently you're just going to have to deal with me drawing and talking. Talking and drawing and talking. So, here we go. Let's continue the stream as usual. Let's not jump any sharks. If you remember Happy Days, some of you may not remember Happy Days. Happy Days was a very popular sitcom about Richie and the Fonz. And they had a thing going. They had something going. They had a formula for their episodes, and they wanted to switch it up. One day they wanted to switch it up, and they said, let's do something different. Let's put Fonzie on some water skis and have him jump a shark in the middle of the ocean. So they did that, and the people did not like it. The viewers did not like it. It did not land well. Hey, Chovy! So that's what you say whenever you want to explain a TV show that made a big change that didn't go over. So, don't want to be jumping the shark. Chovy, how's it going? Let me give you your shout out. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. There you go. Here's a shout out for Chovy. Chovy is a Christian gamer streamer. Feel free to go out and check out our friend Chovy at twitch.tv/Chovy. How are things with you? I'm going to merge this layer. Merge layer with layer below. There we go. And turn the frames back on. Thanks for showing up. Still working on page 24. I thought I was going to have words on stream while I was drawing, because I saw somebody else do that while he was playing the piano. I said, oh, how convenient. Allowing the viewers to watch not only him playing the piano, but play words on stream. So apparently I need I need more browsers. I need more monitors. I need one extra monitor. I already have two monitors going right now. One on the laptop and one external monitor. But if I put on words on stream, then I wouldn't be able to actually see the chat. I wouldn't actually be able to see Stream Manager. So I got my OBS and my Stream Manager. I want to see both of them. Anyway, that's enough about me. How's it going with you? You're pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. I had to take my daughter back to school. Spring break is over. But she'll be back. She will be back for Easter. Interesting that they get a spring break and an Easter break. I'm not complaining about that. I'm sure she's not complaining about that either. My son gets a break just before Easter. So I am going to take a vacation the week after Easter. So there. So now I wonder, let's see how this looks with that highlight there. Got any Easter plans there, Chovy? No plans, just chilling. Chilling with the chillin'. Oh, I totally forgot. Where are my manners? I want to thank some people. Thank you for the 4 people. I said 4 people who followed me today. Thank you for Uncle Ohm, followed 8 hours ago. Thank you for King Wesley FX, followed 4 hours ago. Thank you for John underscore Deeds, followed 3 hours ago. And, pardon my pronunciation, Ditarak Unson, followed 3 hours ago. Certainly hope I didn't offend anyone with my pronunciations there. But thank you very much for the follows. Someone who I've been missing. I've been missing some flat-capped Pastor. He's on vacation. I think I've been spoiled. Flatcap has been spoiling me because he has been there just about every single morning, every single weekday morning, reading from the Bible, explaining, reading and explaining for I don't know how long. I think he's been streaming as long as I've been streaming. I know I could read my Bible by myself. I know I could listen to some commentary by myself on my own time. But you get used to hearing explanations. What am I doing here? Did I paint myself into a corner? Here we go. Let's do that. Let's see what I did there. Paint into a corner. Little art joke there. So yesterday was Sunday, March 10th, or in certain circles, you could call it Mario Day, which means that Pi Day is not far off. March 10th is only 4 days away from March 14th. You know what? I don't know what that line is doing there. I'm not just gonna... What does that line mean in there? I don't think that line means anything either. I'm just gonna erase that. I'm not just gonna follow the crowd. Don't just follow any blue pencil line. That pencil line could have been made in error. You don't know who made that pencil line. Okay, I did. I know it was me. But you can't trust me. You can't just trust it just because it's me. You can't just agree with any old blue pencil line. Oh, you know what? Here's what happened. The secret is, I copied and pasted his right leg from the previous page. Bugs. With the spring comes bugs. Not that it's really spring yet. It's actually kind of winter-like around here. Reminds me of May the 4th Star Wars Day, just silly. Yeah, exactly. First there was May the 4th, then there was May the 6th. Oh, May the 5th is Cinco de Mayo. And then there's May the 6th. The 6th. The 6th.